welcome back to the channel. My name's Sid, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this porcelain sort of China doll kind of effect which you can recreate for yourself in Spark AR Studio for your own Instagram and Facebook filters. It's a pretty simple effect. I've already gone over previously how to create metallic shiny effects and also transparent glass plastic looking, so you can check those videos out if you haven't already. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So this one, we don't have to go outside of Spark AR, there's no external programs required, so we'll just open a new project. I'll switch over to the FaceTime camera so you can see me, and then what we'll do is add an object. We'll add a face mesh with a tracker, so it's mapped on, and then we'll come over here and we'll add a material layer which will appear here in our assets panel. So we can come down and we can look at this, and as you can see, it's tracking nicely onto our face. You want to change the shader type to physically based because we're interested in the way it reflects light. And then come down here to where it says plus add asset. And what you're going to want to choose is environment texture presets, and then just select one of these. You can pick at random or add all of them and try them out, see what you think. For now I'm just going to go with, I guess, machine shop, because that sounds kind of cool. And then where you have this grayed out environment box, you give that a check and you can add the texture to your face. So now we have this nice shiny like white texture. You can already see the light reflecting, but it's quite hard to see with this color, so if I make it a little bit darker, there you go. And now we can adjust some of these values a little bit. If you go all the way up here, you end up with a metallic, which is quite nice with this blue, but we don't want that today, so we'll keep that down and we'll come and have a look at this. So yeah, something around here maybe. Just adjust the roughness and the metallic. You don't really need this unless you're including your own RM texture file. You can adjust the color as well if you want something a little bit darker, maybe more pronounced. And you can of course do it with different presets. So basically these are high dynamic range images, so 360 degree photos that are extremely high definition and capture a lot more light and luminosity detail and information. So when you're using them in something like this, it's great because if I come back over here really quick, you can rotate the angle of reflection 360 degrees. So if you don't like the particular thing that's being reflected from part of the image, then you can move it around and adjust it until you're happy with it. So yeah, also you can switch out the environment texture. So if you want to try something a little bit different, and they all have slightly different effects. So you see this one's a lot darker. And so maybe it will require a little bit more shine. And maybe this is one that would work with an even darker color, or I don't know. I like these. This is fun to play around with. But yeah, this is pretty much the entire effect. You can add another mesh underneath as a layer. So if we come over here and we add a second face mesh, then we can move that. Oh. My bad. Move that here, and then where it's under here, we'll just uncheck these eyes and mouth trackers. So we have this. And if you want, oh, I'm about to sneeze my filter off there. Yeah, so now come down here and enable a material. I'll create a new one. This one will not be physically based, it's going to be a flat color. As you can see, we've already got the white, which is nice. And then you can adjust the color of that as well. So yeah, something that you can play around with on your own time, but it's a pretty simple effect. One more thing I should mention is, just because these default textures here, like they have a number of default textures with Spark AR Studio, but there's also a website I'd recommend called HDRI Haven. I'm not affiliated with them, I don't make any money. Obviously this channel gets like 10 views a day, but they're cool because whoever runs this website creates freely available downloadable HDRI files which you can use and import into your own projects. It's run by a Patreon page, so there's a link that you can click up here to support him, but mostly it's just asset packs and textures and all kinds of stuff that you can play around with and use, and I'm not going to click on them too much, but definitely check it out. hdrihaven.com. It's just different ones of these that you can mess around with and adjust the lighting for. So if you come down here and readjust the rotation, there you go, nice. Ooh, look at me, beautiful. But yeah, that's pretty much the effect. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for rambling, I know it was a little bit long again. I'm going to try and make a 2-minute version with a little bit more focus. I have 7 subscribers now, which is cool. I'm going to try and get to 10 before the new year. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.